How's it going, everybody? Thank you, everybody, for being here. This has been a long time coming. Thank you to my beautiful mother for planning this amazing rehearsal dinner. Bauman's have a very special night for us tomorrow. It's going to be fantastic. If you thought this was great, just wait till you see tomorrow. We had a little bit of a practice run when we had everybody in Charbonneau for our little wedding event, and I asked advice from a lot of people who were already married, and they said to take it slow because it goes by in the blink of an eye. Tomorrow is gonna fly by. This trip has flown by for a lot of us, so I want everybody to make sure that as we continue on from tonight, we take it slow, we stop and smell the roses, because memories are the most valuable thing that we will all have. Being together with all of you for this amazing trip is the best part of mine and Brittany's life. Brittany, as I've written, reviewed, and revised these vows for over 2 years now, I've had the chance to take a step back, relive the memories I was so blessed to spend with you, and fall in love with you all over again. Your angelic voice and your quirky humor, your creative mind have all made me fall deeply in love with you over the years. Your inclusiveness to make sure no one ever feels left out and everyone is always having such an amazing time creates such an amazing environment and even better memories for me. I'll give you extra love every morning and night. I'll be extra attentive to all of your stories. I'll give you extra care on your rough days, and I'll be extra patient as we scramble last minute to the airport. Brittany, you've changed me as a person. You take life slow and enjoy all of the little things, and you stop to smell the roses and embrace the journey, not just the destination. I function differently because of you. We have proven while there will be obstacles in life, the ups and downs can never beat us, and while we may come up a little tattered and a little bruised, I know I will always have you to lean on. I love dancing with you until my feet swell. I love being your therapist and your gossip girl. I love your late night spurts of energy, and I love your drive to pursue your dreams. The most valuable thing that we have in life is the people we share it with, and I just became the richest man in the world by making you my wife. I love you, Brittany.
Cameron, among all your amazing qualities, your strength and ability to see the world with such positivity is the most admirable. Your ambition and drive to go after anything you want in this life is truly inspiring. Not to mention you're incredibly handsome with your endearing green eyes, contagious smile, along with the most luscious locks I've ever laid eyes on. After spending the summer of 17 falling in love, we knew it had to come to an end as you were leaving to spend a semester abroad. I gave you every opportunity to run away to potentially find the love of your life in another country. While I intended to give you space, you had other things in mind and contacted me every single day, and even traveled all the way to England to be my friend at my sister's wedding. I could stand here all day and talk about how happy you make me, when you spoil me with the best home-cooked meals, how I appreciate your patience even when I test it, how you help my crazy dreams come true, like getting married in Italy. I could write an infinite list of what you are for me, but my love is not dependent on that. I don't love you for how you treat me, I love you for who you are. I love the grace and kindness you show to everyone. I love how you love others selflessly and without condition. More than anything, I love your heart and that I've been given the privilege of loving it for the rest of my life. I vow to be your partner in all things, to honor and respect you, to grow with you and to love you unconditionally. I promise to be present in every moment, to listen with compassion, to support your dreams with all my heart. As we embark on this journey together, I give you my love, my loyalty, and my unwavering faith in us. And lastly, no matter what song life plays for us, I vow to always be your dance partner. Growing old used to terrify me, but now it's something I look forward to, knowing that we're in it together. I dream of waking up to you in our golden years, when you can't hear and I've completely lost my mind. Skin wrinkled and matching laugh lines between our eyes, in a hallway with every vacant space filled with photos and memories of the life we built and shared together. We were meant to be, and that is the one thing in this world I am sure of. Cameron, I will love you forever, and that still won't be long enough.
Brittany, I'm not sure if you realize how much your existence has shaped my life. Having a little sister has taught me patience, love, laughter, and it also taught me how quickly these moments pass us by. She loves deeply, and you'll always find her thoughtfulness in the details.
As they celebrate their love for one another, I know that much of their love is stitched within the fabric of their family and their friends.
What started out as a simple question from Cam, "Do you want to dance?" turned into a 5-hour dance session that neither of them wanted to end. But when it did, Cam had 2 feet full of blisters and his heart set on who he is in love with, Brittany, of course.
A love for one another, a care for one another, and most importantly, a commitment to one another from this day forward.
So here we are today, watching these 2 incredible, loving, and hilarious people start a beautiful new adventure together. There's an old Italian saying, love is the essence of life. Cam and Britt, you found that essence in each other. I've seen it from the start, and I know your lives will be filled with laughter, love, and countless unforgettable moments. I can't wait to see what your future holds. So I'd like everyone to raise a glass to Britt and Cam. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness.